How to fix Snapchat recap not showing up or working on Android or iOS device. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the Memories tab. On the home, you'll find the option Your Snapchat Recap. In case you are unable to find this option, what you want to do is update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you update it, you can check. In case still you are unable to find the option, the reason might be you are inconsistent to the Snapchat or it hasn't been a year using Snapchat. If you are a regular user of Snapchat and it has been more than a year using Snapchat, you will definitely get this option. As a last resort, what you want to do is completely delete Snapchat and then again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. After you delete it, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then install it. By following this solution, your problem will be fixed. So, this is how you can easily fix Snapchat recap not showing up on Android or iOS device. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.